Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Journey as well. This is me Suri Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to install WhatsApp on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC or laptop. In this video I'm going to show you two ways with which you can install WhatsApp. Both of these ways are going to work, but still I'm going to show you both the ways. Just make sure to take a look at both the ways and you can follow what way is more comfortable to you. Okay, now if you are facing any error in one of the ways which I'm going to teach you, you can just try the alternative method. So the first option to install WhatsApp is by directly installing it from the Microsoft Store. Well, Microsoft Store is now available for both Windows 10 and 11, so there's not going to be any problem. Now just take a look at this. This is WhatsApp from the Microsoft Store. In order to open Microsoft Store, all you have to do is go to your search bar over here. Mostly it would have been pinned in your taskbar, but if it's not available in your taskbar, then search for a Microsoft Store. Here you would find it. Just click on this. You just click on it, you would be here in the home page. In the home page, if WhatsApp is not available, all you have to do is search for WhatsApp over here. If you just search for WhatsApp in the Microsoft Store, you would be able to find a WhatsApp or WhatsApp beta, but do not try beta. Just click on this and install WhatsApp. Once you install WhatsApp, you can just use it like normal. You can just open your phone and scan the QR code which appears and connect it with your account and you can use it. Now, the second method is for people who do not have a Microsoft Store, or is for people who are facing few errors in the Microsoft Store. So for those people, all you have to do is open your browser. In this case, I'm using my Google Chrome browser. Search for WhatsApp download over here. WhatsApp download for PC. You just search for WhatsApp download for PC. You would find this link. If this link is not available to you, then I will leave it in the description in the first comment. Once you get this link, all you have to do is either get it directly from Microsoft Store. Again, if it's not available for you, you can just click on this download option over here. You just click for this download option. As you can see, the WhatsApp has been installed. Here, if you just open the WhatsApp installer, then you would be here in this page. I already have the latest version, so I do not have any problem. Now people, that's it for today's video. I hope you have successfully installed WhatsApp without any errors from the official site. So if this video was helpful and useful to you, then just make sure to click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. Now, once again, it's me Suri Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.